Hi, my name is Noah. I am on the sales development team here at Glean, and today I'm going to be showing you what I do within Glean when I get a new account and I want to get up to speed. Navigating to our homepage, what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate over to our chat feature and say I receive a new account. Catch me up to speed on our conversations with the account. What I'm doing now is I'm seeing if there are any past interactions that we've had with this account, maybe in the form of gong calls, emails, or documents that we've collaborated on with that account. Looks like there's some past history with this account. Looks like they had a few demos, had some collaboration going on, but nothing ever matriculated into an actual opportunity. What were the blockers? What I'm trying to understand now is what happened to make our conversations with this account or specific prospect stall? Where were the major blockers and roadblocks by which they were not able to pursue a partnership with Glean? Looks like things such as security reviews, an MSA agreement, onboarding and data collection issues, a lot of which we've ironed out now within our product. Let's try and figure out who the main POC was from this account. Now, based on this response, it looks like our main POC is listed right here. Given that I know our product has made great strides since our last conversations, I think it could be useful for us to re-engage in conversations with that POC. Please draft me an email to the POC asking to re-engage and see the latest with Glean. Part of the reason I love Glean is it's not only going to draft an email for me, but it's actually going to give me a one-click experience where I can send the email directly without even having to navigate to my email app, as you can see here. And that's how I work with Glean.